My AirPods Max stink. And no, it is not about the sound quality or the tech itself, like they're fine. My problem lies with the earpads. Like, boy, do they smell. More pungent than any other headphones I ever used in my entire life. So I tried using aerosol-based antibacterial spray. And it worked, but the smell returned after a few hours. Switching to a water-based spray was able to make it smell quite good. But even that only lasted like a day or two. At this stage, I was concerned that I might have an earwax or sweat problem. However, I'm also questioning, like all the headphones I ever owned, why only this AirPods Max's earpads managed to produce such glorious putrid potent smell. Cut to the chase, I decided to use ChatGPT on how to remove bad smells using organic matter. And what do you know? It suggested me with 5 options. And since coffee grounds are abundant, I just had to pick option number 4. And this is how I did it. Get an airtight container, add some of that magic substance in it, place the earpads, close and seal it tight, and hit the sack. And something to be aware of, although it has a rubber layer to protect the foam, the mesh that covers the whole outer surface are porous and absorb sweat like sponge. And since the mesh is porous, it is a perfect medium for bacteria to thrive, hence the smell it produces. Good things come to those who wait. The AirPods now smell like Starbucks, and I'm happy to report that it lasted for nearly a month, which is amazing. Actually, coffee contains nitrogen, which helps neutralize smelly air quickly and safely. No wonder nobody was scanning when I accidentally at a cafe before. Interesting. I should be worried less then, and do some more of it. I'm just kidding. Honestly, for 2 years using the AirPods Max as my daily driver, it is indeed a good wireless headphone, especially for consumers dwelling in the walled garden. But if you can make a ladder to climb to the other side, the older Sony XM4 is still a very good contender, or probably better choice when counting in with the price. At the time making this video, I've decided to order a pair of earpads replacement and silicone cover from a third-party maker. Hopefully it will not be affecting the sound quality, but who knows. Finally, another important lesson that I learned is that I should have searched for cleaning instruction on the Apple website in the first place.
The man may not be on the top of his form, but he can still make himself useful.
Guess that's a topic for another video then. Thanks for watching and have a good one.